Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a princess. We will need a pencil, an eraser, a paper and something to color. Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head, a hair, an ears, a crown, a dress and arms. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here at the top of the paper. Draw a circle. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Oh, you're doing great! I like your circle. Then we're gonna draw the ears. C shape on the left side and backward C shape on the right side. That's right, keep on trying. Then we're gonna draw a hair. I start over here and draw a curve to the ear. Then, from the same point, I draw another curve to the other ear. Wow, I like your lines. Keep it up. Then let's draw eyes. Draw two circles. The first and the second. Then another circles inside. And we can add some eyelashes. That's the way! You're doing great! Backward C shape in the middle for nose. And U shape under the nose for her smile. Now let's draw a crown. Let's draw two diagonal lines at the top of the head. The first and the second. Then let's connect these ends with zigzag. And let's add some gems. I draw 3 ovals inside the crown. The first, the second, and the third. Now let's draw her neck. We're gonna draw 2 short lines underneath her head. The first and the second. Then let's draw the top of her dress. Straight horizontal line, 2 diagonal lines on both sides, and connect them. Now let's draw the bottom of her dress. Draw a curved line on the left and on the right. Then let's connect them with a curve. Now it's time for her arms. Draw a diagonal line from the shoulder down on the left side, then another diagonal line that starts just below that line. Now let's draw the hand. I start drawing over here a narrow long arch, then a narrow short arch, and 2 small arcs right here. And the same thing on the right side. Draw a diagonal line from the shoulder down on the right side, then another diagonal line, then we'll draw a hand. Narrow long arch, then a narrow short arch, and connect them. And 2 small arches right here. Now let's finish drawing her hair. Wavy line on both sides that start under the ears and connect to the dress. That's the way to go, we did it! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Boosty or Facebook. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print a free first edition on my coloring page. The link in the description under the video. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Oh, you can awesome coloring and drawing, girl. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. All links in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!